Hello and welcome to today's guide. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in the Expedia mobile app, step by step. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain, save battery, and improve your overall browsing experience. Let's walk through the simple process together. Open the Expedia mobile app on your device. Tap on the account icon, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the section called Security and Settings. After that, continue scrolling until you find Display Appearance. Tap on it. Now select the Dark option to enable dark mode. Finally, tap on Done to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully activated dark mode in the Expedia app. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out our other videos for more tech tips and guides.